Leo, hi. Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at titinan natin ang energies ng inyong kaperahan, money, career, finances ngayong August 2024. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment, pakicheck nyo na lang yung information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see, Leo, anong parating sa inyong kaperahan? Money, career, finances. Ngayong August. And also, it's Leo season. Ayan. Happy birthday, happy solar return. I wish you all the best in life. Happiness, success, good health. Malapit na yung Leo season. Okay, you're going to be creative. Wow, may download sa'yo. Parang discovery yan. Na parang, oh yeah, ganon. Eureka moment na, wow, oo nga, no, subukan ko nga, ganon. So, you're going to connect to your creativity. Mas magiging open ka sa mga creative ideas that will also lead you to opportunities sa iyong career, sa trabaho mo, or even sa iyong business. Kumbaga, mas palalakasin mo ang iyong creative side. And Leos are generally creative already. Okay? Let's see, study, yes. So part of your expansion is you studying. Oo, pag-aaral. Oo, kasi yan yung expanding your knowledge. You want to know more, you want to improve, you want to be better. So, maaring may research ka na gagawin, pwedeng, self-study, or yung iba naman, mag-enroll kayo sa isang course na interesado kayo. Let's say you're interested in graphic design. So, mag-enroll ka sa mga courses na nagtuturo ng graphic design para kung ano yung alam mo, mas madadagdagan pa. And that is going to be helpful sa mga future plans mo. Oh, very inspired. Inspiring ang August for you. Marami kayong mga magiging dahilan para ma-motivate sa inyong pagtatrabaho, sa inyong business, sa career path ninyo. So, importante naman kasi talaga na merong inspiration. 'Di ba? Kasi pag hindi ka inspired, hindi ka rin ganun ka-creative. That's true. It works hand in hand. Let's see, ano pa? August 2024, kaperahan, 10 of Wands. Oh. You're going to be fully loaded, Leo. Ito yung multitasking. Pagsasabay-sabayin mo yung mga kailangan mong i-accomplish, pero just make sure na na-allocate mo ng maayos yung oras, panahon mo. Kasi mahirap naman yung kuha ka ng trabaho tapos hindi mo pala kaya. O sayang yung effort mo dun sa iba. Tsaka maapektuhan din yung productivity, yung quality ng ginagawa mo. So, yeah, just take kung ano lang yung kaya mo. And if kukunin mo yung mas marami, make sure na meron kang someone na tutulong rin sa'yo. Nag-a-assist sa'yo. You have the moon. You have the Knight of Swords. Okay, Leo, medyo mag-ingat sa inyong emotions ngayong August. Ito yung emotions na to is pwedeng positive emotions, negative emotions. Kasi pwede tayong merong magawa or mga decisions na maggawin na hindi naman pala natin talaga gustong gawin or minimin. Nadala lang tayo sa emosyon natin. For example, masaya ka. Masaya ka, sa sobrang mong saya, gusto mong mag-splurge, gusto mong bumili ng mga maraming bagay. Kasi minsan ganun eh. Gusto mong parang nagbe-base ka sa yung emotions whenever you buy things. So, after mong mabili yon, eventually you will realize, oh my God, hindi ko pala ito kailangan, ba't ko ito binili? Yung parang nagpadala ka lang doon sa FOMO, fear of missing out, ganon. And also kapag naman malungkot ka, yung iba, akala nila magiging masaya sila sa mga bagay na bibilhin nila. Yes, nangyayari yan, pero sa first few days lang. Pag ano na, nakasettle ka na parang, oo nga no, napagastos ako doon, haha. Oo, so, ano lang, kalmahan mo lang. Some of you, maaring ma-involve kayo sa isang misunderstanding. Pwede kasi itong, it's either, pwedeng reversal yung roles, pwedeng, boss mo or ikaw yung boss, but meron dito kasing demanding, no, sa situation na to, pwedeng sa trabaho mo, sa business, or sa career mo, na mahirapan kang i-handle yung pressure na pwedeng mauwi sa miscommunication or misunderstanding. Okay? You have the Two of Cups and then the Six of Wands. Uy. If single ka at wala ka namang balak sa relationship, wala kang interest, baka meron dumating. Oo, kahit na career money reading to, possible na dito mo makikilala sa trabaho mo, sa business mo, yung potential romantic partner mo. I also see you na marami kang admirers, oo. People are admiring you because of your confidence, yung what you can bring to the table, yung persistence mo. They see you glow. Oo, lalo na if you are someone na working in the public eye, marami talagang nakakakita sa'yo. Yan. So, you will be more appreciated. Oo, yung iba pwedeng kung single kayo, makikilala nyo sa business meeting. Kliyente mo pala, o kaya it's the other way around. Halimbawa, may pinapagawa kang bahay. Architect mo pala or engineer, civil engineer. O kung ano man yan, basta sa workplace, meron ditong romantic connection that I'm seeing. Okay? But if you are in a relationship, maaring yung person mo, naka-deal ngayon, meron kayong mga projects na gagawin. Like, may agreement dito parang you are, nag-cheer kayo sa isa't isa. Na, uy, kaya mo yan. You support each other. You have the King of Pentacles. Uy, Three of Swords. The Eight of Cups. Okay, some of you, meron kayong kailangang iwanan na situation. Maybe because you feel like you're done with it. Okay? This can be a career. Dahil, iba kasi sa inyo dito, baka, di ba nabanggit ko, pwedeng magkaroon kayo ng misunderstanding with your colleagues or co-worker kasi pwedeng boss mo to. Na sa tingin mo sobra na siya. Masyado ng maraming binibigay na trabaho sa'yo pero underpaid ka. So, yung iba sa inyo aalis. Oo. Uy, the world. Yes. You're going to pursue what will make you happy para sa mga aalis sa situation na yan. Kung saan ka mas magiging free, may kalayaan. Meron din iba sa inyo, something is ending, like a chapter in your career or your business. Dahil meron kayong gustong i-pursue na passion ninyo. Beware of self-delusion. Oy, may great fortune. Great good fortune. Itong self-delusion, ito yung parang pag-overthink na sa maraming bagay na na akala mo yun yung mangyayari talaga. Pero hindi naman pala. So, kailangan maging connected ka pa rin sa maging grounded ka, connected ka sa reality. Oo. Do not be tempted to lower your standards. Yes, kaya nga iba sa inyo, aalis kayo sa situation, sa trabaho, career, or business na sa tingin ninyo is no longer serving your highest good. Merong journey, either physical or mental. Meron kang pupuntahan. Money or property through inheritance, winning or windfall. Uy, merong pwedeng unexpected to. Meron kayong mana na matatanggap. Oh, ayan, two-faced friend. Baka ito yung magkakaroon ka ng misunderstanding or conflict with a friend na doble cara. Inherent wisdom is emerging at this time. Watch it and ready yourself for a rebirth. Oh, my transformation. Alam mo na you deserve better. So, kung nasa situation ka na you think na it's time to grow, it's time to spread your wings and fly high, ayun, aalis ka doon para ma-explore mo pa yung iyong potentials. You will soon, oh my God, you will soon enter into a beneficial partnership. Luck and longevity bless this union. So, yung iba sa inyo, business partnership. Pwedeng with someone na pinagkakatiwalaan mo or a romantic partner. Your intuition is correct. Follow your inner peace, inner wisdom without fail. Bakit inner peace? Okay. Yes, so magiging very much connected ka sa instinct mo. Alam mo kung saan ka mapapabuti. So, yun yung ifa-follow mo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. Bye.